Can y'all hear that? That these creatures, have come 17 years later. It's a reunion tour. They're back. And they can't be stopped. They fly around. They look like big freaking bugs, man. But they don't bite. They don't bite.